buffet. Let's see how much the buffet is. $26.99 for the champagne brunch buffet. Sunday. Brunch buffet every day is $17.99. Compare that to Las Vegas. It's about $12 cheaper. Crazy. Of course, they don't have the overhead Las Vegas has. Friday night, seafood, snap and eat crab legs. Oh, okay, they don't have them sliced, is what they're saying. $35.99. We've got good prices here. All-American dinner, down home cooking, $23.99. That's something Las Vegas needs to do. We don't have to have fancy stuff. Just have some fried chicken on there, and get it near the $25 range.